Okay, today is Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. We're at 22440 Hawthorne in Farmington. As you can see, we're at a PVC stack located by the water meter. As you can see here, the floor was broke out. You can see the floor drain here was replaced. We'll kind of show you where there's a wall, and you can see it was replaced there. It goes to a second stack here by the back. We're going to do a televised from this stack. The sewer does go out the front of the house. The manhole is just past the end of the driveway into the street. Again, this is 3-inch PVC. You can see here, this is the Y for the floor drain that picks up the furnace condensate. And you can see this is the second Y that's from the other stack. As you can see, the PVC is good conditions, not holding water at this time. And we are going towards the front wall at this point. Okay, here you can see we have a clean out. There is carpet on the floor, and there's also a sofa there, but you can see there is a PVC clean out, and you can see our camera drops down just a little, so this is where we change from 3-inch PVC to 4-inch. And you can see we stay 4-inch PVC, and you can see it's still PVC here. We should be outside at this point. You can see we do have some water here holding. When we pull back, we'll be able to get a better idea. As you can see, we are pushing some paper along as well. Okay, here you can see this is where they tied on to 6-inch clay pipe. Okay, here you can see we're at the city main. As you can see here, we do have either a rope or a cable that's running through the city main at this point. Actually, it's towards the back of the main. We are going to go ahead at this time. We'll pull slightly back. You can see that we do have a slight offset here. We will pull back. We will continue to record. We are going to try and see if we could locate that PVC clean out. Okay, as you can see here, we are pulling back. The camera is underwater. We are moving some furniture around. As you've seen, there was a couple of offsets in the PVC. We're trying to locate the clean out to see if we can get in the 4-inch so we can put a centering guide on to get a better idea of the water depth. Okay, here you can see this is where we changed to the PVC. We still will go ahead and continue our recording as we pull back. Okay, we attempted to locate this. We have followed the trench. Somebody ran water. We have followed the trench on the inside from where the floor's been broke up. When it gets into the room with the carpet, it does 45. The carpet's just laid on the concrete. It's not tacked down. We did follow the trench all the way to the wall. We could not see any cleanouts. We did put a locator on this. We thought we may be located outside, but the landscaping at the front of the house has been redone. We tried with a probe rod and we could not locate. So unfortunately, we are not able to get a centering guide on that's going to be able to do us any good in the 6-inch pipe. The 6-inch pipe does hold possibly up to a couple inches of water. We did confirm that the manhole at the end of the drive is sanitary sewer. And the sewer itself, the sewer main has been lined. The piece that you see running across the main could be some pull tape that got left in, or some seam tape that possibly came off of the liner when curing. So we are going to finish pulling back through the PVC. All the PVC look good at this point. Again, this picks up the other bathroom. And you'll see a Y here shortly that this picks up the floor drain. And this will conclude our video.